Kynhun Myntri kala Shimru Ekarai ben Thied yaki Jaka rap kepa sapu pra Akar kepada pok ka Shnong Mawkhanu ke New Shillong Township kepa pedan kam deki kanyongot kinong rap bat ka sarkar kan siu saus pak kandai poshi square feet bat kinong rap bat eka pisa an sa pha batch ka account jongki kanyongot kinong rap Shnong Mawkhanu ukon rat kongkal sang maula ong bahaswa ban Shim Ekarai ben Thied yaki Jaka rap sarkar kala thau Daka committee penekaran bagi kanyongot kinong rap jong ke Shnong Mawkhanu.
The acquisition again of land in the Mawkhanu area. As you are aware that when we had gone ahead with the purchase of Mawkhanu, new Shillong Township area, there were paddy fields around in different locations. And at that point in time, the paddy field, the farmers had not agreed to give the land. But then now that the construction and the work and large projects are going forward, the discussion continued with the farmers, and the farmers have now 17 farmers were there. They have all agreed to directly now sell the land to the government because they are seeing the large projects that are happening out there. And after the discussion, they have agreed to the sale, and today the cabinet has approved the sale of these paddy fields that are there in patches in the Mawkhanu New Shillong Township area. Paddy field overall land is approximately about 48 acres, and it is coming to about 490 rupees per square feet. We have to give to the farmers directly. So there are 17 farmers, so the money will be given straight to the farmers. This is roughly about 30% lesser than the land acquisition rate that we would have to give.